Hello friends, welcome to Windows. In this video I will show you how to get screen recording feature in Snipping Tool app in Windows 11 build 25252 right now. Microsoft started releasing the promised native screen recorder tool to Windows 11. It's not released as a standalone screen recording tool, but going to be part of a snipping tool that comes pre-installed in Windows 11. Microsoft rolling out this update gradually. That means not all users will see record option in snipping tool. In case you can't wait for the update to reach your PC, then you can update the snipping tool app right away. Before you start following the method, let's open the snipping tool and you can see that record option is unavailable for my PC. Also, you can see that in Microsoft Store, I am running the updated version of screen recording tool app. So let's learn how to update the app manually. So first of all, you need to download MSIX bundle file from blog post listed in the description. Once you get the file, double click to run it. You can see that it's a bundle update for version 11.2211.350. Here you need to click on the update button. Now you need to wait for a few seconds. Once the update process complete, snipping tool will open automatically. So you can see that now I have record option in the snipping tool. To take a screenshot, you need to switch to record tab and then click on the new button. Now select the region you want to record and then click on the start button. Once done with recording, click on the stop button and you will see the preview in the snipping tool UI. From there, you can play the file to preview it, save the file to computer or share it with your friends. So that's it guys. What is your opinion about Windows 11 native screen recording tool in comments? Also, if you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.